ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅವ್ರಿ.
That's what I can say. But the only thing, thanks or gratitude will be very small word, because more than that I have received. But I'm a very small. I can't do anything more than that. But I'm ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಋಣಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಆಭಾರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಈಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ರೈ ಟೀಮ್. So because I learned here, I learned what is society, I learned here what is people, I learned what is Prashant, Veeresh also, because Veeresh used to help me a lot initial stages, where I guess where I got to know, because there was a time part procurement stage where it was in manual thing, which was not in a mail form. Actually he supported us a lot at that time, where we got to recognize that CD team is doing something. I guess this is the fact of 2021. So later it started everything through mails. So later we got to know that all are working. So I'm very thankful for that. And Arun sir, he is a kind of what you say, a very happy person. I guess we never had a tough fights also. It was very just a high bye. And he used to teach some things where even I learned. So I'm very happy for that. And Shankar sir, I guess sometimes we had tough times, so I'm very sorry for that. And Krishna sir, where I got to know that, where I can see like how I work, so I can see Krishna sir in myself also. And Abdul sir, I guess I have learned, because I didn't give anyone, but I took all the elements from the people. I learned him how he handles situations. So I thought that I should inculcate this. It will be very helpful for me. And Sridhar, actually we were all at the same team when I joined Pepperfry. So now he is here. I'm very happy for that. And to talk about the Deep sir, I guess personally, except from professionally, personally, what he made that shift, it changed me a lot in my life. Or else that was the ending point of my life, because that's it. If I had not done graduation, I couldn't pass this step. So I guess thanks will be very small word. Thank you so much for that. And Rajvi sir, I guess we said on that in Gold Rush team itself, very down to earth. I guess what we have seen the RMs. I guess we are happy to have you, sir. So and especially and our own Pasha sir. So he never said that, "Arey, you're too small. You can't say anything to me." But he took all in happy mode, and I'm very thankful for that. He has that to take plus and minus also. So thank you so much for having all elements in my team. I'm very grateful to you.
What do you support? What do you
That's what I can say. But the only thing, thanks or gratitude will be very small word, because more than that I have received. But I'm a very small. I can't do anything more than that. But I'm ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಋಣಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಆಭಾರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಈಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ರೈ ಟೀಮ್. So because I learned here, I learned what is society, I learned here what is people, I learned what is life. So for that I am very thankful to all. Thank you so much.
ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Ayun,
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠ.
ಭಾಷೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ.
ಆ ಕೇಕ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇರಿ ಇರಿ
ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ
ಆಜ್ ಆಜ್
ನಿಂದೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸು.
ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ
ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಗಡೆ ಕುಂತ
ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡೆ